So may I request the participants to have Manjay Garu? Yeah. What is the plan now? We can start the um, asking the feedback or what?
Yeah.
We can proceed.
Shall we post that link, sir? Or
No, feedback
if
you want to
interested, they can openly unmute themselves and they can give the feedback.
Yes, yes. Yes, please. So we are eagerly waiting for your feedback. So you can unmute and you can give the feedback. So you introduce yourself before you give the feedback. So kindly introduce yourself and then give the feedback on the course. Yeah, please. Yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Very good
Back
evening.
again. It was a wonderful course. I had my own hesitations when I joined the course. I was wondering what I would be learning, what would the course entail. And I think I'm the only medico in the entire team right now in your participants. And I really felt initially I was out of the water, you know, I was getting into deep water and I wouldn't know what to do. But all your lectures, all your faculty who have been part of this program, they've explained everything so nicely. And it was a real treat. For the first time in my life, I handled CAD CAM, what were this free measures, and it was a really enjoyable experience. I really thank you and your entire team for all the untiring efforts you have put in for this, and I'm really impressed. And thank you so much. I just realized that the amount of precision that you'll have, we doctors get away because nature helps us. But I pity all engineers because there's no nature to help you. You have to have a keen eye and a very precise mind, and both have to work together. For us, a little here and there, nature heals, whether it's a small wound, a small cut, or whatever. But I salute all of your engineers. What we are today, what our world is today is only because of engineers, because of what science, technology, what you have invented, what you have brought up. And the world wouldn't be what it is today without you all. So I salute you all, especially your department, and I had a really enjoyable time. Thank you so much for everything. I have learned a lot to take home with me.
Yeah, then, yeah, thank you, sir. And then may I request you to join for the next course if you are free, maybe. I don't know what is
Actually,
your
I'm conducting a 5-day workshop from Monday to Friday myself. So unfortunately,
okay.
I may not be, I will not be, but next time, definitely, sir. I would definitely
Yes.
love to learn more from you all. Really.
Yeah.
It's very unfortunate I can't join. That's why just
Yes.
rating myself. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Who wants to give the feedback? Can you please say, unmute yourself and.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, please introduce yourself. Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Good evening. I am Dr. Malik, working as professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, VVIT. So I have been attending your programs since last 13 years.
Okay. Fine.
So
Can you find some newness? I don't know.
That's what I'm going to tell now.
Okay,
so every
please.
time I find something extra in your presentations, so that is the reason make me to attend all your programs. I never felt bored because I already have seen this, and this is not this is already well known to me. That type of feeling I never get. So every time I have been adding something to my repository, maybe in my mind or some sort of notes I used to write. So I'm very happy to be the part of this program, and I hope next week also I will be able to attend. So
thank you.
Being it is an online program, probably this is the problem to all the participants that everyone has to attend their classwork or some duties.
Yes.
But I tried to the possible extent. I have attended almost all the sessions, except a few. I didn't miss any session completely. At least partially I could able to attend, and I'm very happy to be with you. Further, actually, probably on behalf of all the participants, I have a request that if you have been working on metal 3D printing and 3D printing for the biomedical applications, etc. Maybe if you can add some people from the private institutions like me, for example. So if you can have some collaborative work also, so that you can maybe you have a project and some part of the project is allotted to the people outside your institutions. They also will get some insight about the technology. That will be a little benefit, and you also will have some lesser stress on your part. So I request you kindly think over this. Maybe if possible, we can take such type of things that will be beneficial too. But maybe it will be the win-win race, I hope.
Yeah, definitely, Dr. Malik. So, if you are having a plan to research plan to work, and then definitely you come with the proposal, and definitely we are ready to collaborate and work people like you. So definitely we are ready to work and collaborate with anybody is having a certain proposal and research proposal and work collaboratively. So it's a mutual benefit. Definitely, we will say, yeah, look into that, and we'll encourage such kind of work. Myself or Manjaya, Dr. Manjaya is also there in our team now. Now we have a good team. Earlier, I used to know run here and there the post and pillars, but now we have a team of people in the form of Dr. Manjaya, and then definitely we as a team will definitely help you out for the colleges to having this kind of say sophisticated facilities. So definitely it is not possible to say facilitate this kind of high-end equipment in your institutions. So definitely we will say extend our say help cooperation in performing some collaborative research. Yeah, definitely we are encouraging such sort of proposals if we have with you. Definitely we will work together. So yeah, always. So anybody can approach us. Definitely we'll look into that and we'll work collaboratively without hesitation. So we are ready to collaborate and work with you. Yeah.
Thank
So,
you, sir. I feel I am very much honored by these words.
yes.
Very soon I will come with some proposal to you.
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello, sir. This is Ashish, research scholar at VIT. The program was really very productive for me, especially having come from a bioinformatics background. There were lots of basic concepts which I was not clear, which I was really confused. Though I've been working in this field, but this was really a good session where in-depth things were explained, not in a hurry or not in just the short way. It was very detailed, in-depth, and the question answers were very beautifully explained, and the flow of the content was also really useful. So step by step, I was able to learn from the foundational aspects of the 3D printing. And I would like to thank, of course, I've heard a lot about NIT Warangal and their work in this field. So I was curious to attend, and definitely I was very much blessed by this. And I should really thank Ravi Kumar sir, and especially, and also Manjaya sir also. And since I'm working in powder bed area, so his sessions also was really very direct to what I'm working. There were many certain challenge area also, like some kind of because of the residual stress, temperature, the thermal gradient and all, some challenges. So those doubts were well clarified during the session. I believe this will help me to overcome some of the challenges which I'm facing. I'm really eager to look for the next session also, if I am allowed to participate to learn more. To be honest, it was really an eye-opening session. I have tried attending few in the earlier sessions, but it was very short and crisp. But this was very detailed, in-depth, sufficient time was there for all the topic. and I really thank, and also Rakesh sir's session and PC Paul sir's sessions also. It was very good, especially to understand the powder, the concept. Also regarding the powder, with Manjay sir said, it was very helpful, how it can influence, how it can affect. So overall, it was a very good, very rich session. A lot of inputs. I believe it will help us as a young researchers to go deeper into it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Thank you, Ashish. You are from VIT, which campus?
VIT Vellore, sir. Vellore.
Vellore campus. Vellore campus.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ashish.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody want to share your feedback?
Hi,
Yeah,
Mr.
please.
Dr. Ravi Kumar. This is Balasubramanian.
Yeah.
I'm from Larsen and Toubro. So actually, really says the session was it's really rich details you had overviewed, and I felt it will be definitely a eye opening to the uh, new peoples or some new students who are all looking this 3D printing industry. So and definitely I also pretty much privileged to participate on this course, and definitely from the Larsen and Toubro end, currently we are pursuing establishing a center of excellence at our defense part of thing, and I hope so. Depends on the management permissions and everything. Definitely, we will have a collaboration aspects how we can proceed. Okay, because in the metal aspects, yeah, you guys have already done quite such a few things. So, which is definitely we are also looking in longer term things. So I hope so. Definitely, we will have a detailed discussions as a
Yeah, sure.
personal window. Okay, and also in the aspect of our team members, definitely we will that related also we will try to engage with you guys, because already you have a established lab and all. So one more thing is, if maybe in because at present the pandemic, which will not allow us to get into our premises based things, maybe in due course time, if we can able to get those kind of course also, definitely we will look into that. And one more request is, if possible, just for the participants who are all activate, or maybe depends on the criteria what you had provided for maybe eligibility for certificate or something else, to those participants, at least if it is possible, just share the presentations. What
Yeah.
depends on the professors, their willingness. Okay, so that will also give us some quite informations we can able to always refer. Okay, so that's the
Yeah.
aspect only I'm asking. And moreover, it's a very good team effort, the team what you have with NIT. Definitely it's a fantastic effort you had given on this whole the course duration, and my hardest congratulations to your team and the efforts what you have done. Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Bala, thank you for your
Thank you.
nice words. And then definitely an industrialist person has said that. So we are in mind at a corner whether we are able to impress the industry people or not. Like it's, majority of the people is say academicians, and then it's not like, yeah, it's a very good words from you. And definitely the collaborations, whatever we can do from our side, we will extend that, say, cooperation from my team, either by me or Dr. Manjaya, Dr. Kumar, or Professor Krishnanand, or so anybody is there from our team. So definitely we are honored. So if L&T is looking some kind of collaboration with NIT Warangal, so definitely we are honored to that, and definitely we'll work together with you. Then so it's a nice thing for us also to collaborate with company like L&T and the Dr. Bala, then we'd say it's very pleasure to us to collaborate with you.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Any other? Anybody wants to say some feedback and few words about course?
మండే నేను ఒక 20 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు అంతే 27.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, I think somebody is giving the feedback in the chat box also from Arun Sharma. He's saying good afternoon and my greetings to you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for making an additive manufacturing a little easy and lucid. Changed my perspective on the same subject as it is my first workshop on the same kind. Looking forward for one offline workshop, yeah, on the same subject. So thank you very much. Yeah, and this is the yeah, he has showed some inability to talk over microphone, and he put the message in the chat box. So yeah, thank you, Arun Sharma, for your feedback. Yeah, then we will mark the attendance. No issue. Then we'll mark the attendance, saying that somebody is not showing the attendance has been not entered. Then we will enter that very soon. Please from Riju. Totally enjoyed and learned a lot in a comfortable environment. The style and the knowledge of the presenter was totally amazing. Okay, thank you, Riju. Feedback, yeah, we can post you in WhatsApp also. Manjay Garu. Yeah, we'll post the feedback link in the chat box of this meeting as well as in the WhatsApp group also. We'll post the feedback
just
for.
now I have posted, sir. Participant can there.
No. Okay. Just now we posted. You check it in the WhatsApp group as well as now also we are going to paste it in the chat box. You can give it through chat box or the WhatsApp group. Yeah, now you can see the feedback link here. And we will upload the attendance for all. Like if somebody is saying that feedback in the Atal portal, that we'll enter the attendance soon. Very soon we are going to enter the attendance of all. But you remember that the certificate will be generated only after that feedback, and even our side also, that is attendance and the marks should be uploaded. That we will be doing very short time. Thank you, Dr. Bala. So anybody wants to give feedback or any clarification do you want to ask? At the end, you can ask maybe. Right now, if you have a few words about the workshop. So you can give some say comments also, like how best we can improve for the next workshop. So I think it is a long time. I know that it's already 5:15. So you have hold for the 5 days, even in spite of, I know that we are also, the semester closing is going on. We have to conduct examinations. So somewhat it is online, then it has made us somewhat simpler to do some multitasking. Otherwise, through offline, if it is offline, even we could not do anything. But anyway, pandemic has given certain advantages also for us, maybe certain advantages, of course. So yeah, anybody wants to say a few words?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I am Danish Anwar. I am only from NIT Warangal and I am studying under you people only. So, like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, Danish.
So, yes. So, sir, like, how that this like this session goes on, like, what we have studied in like a semester, now this is like some crisp view, and it is like helping for me in exam only also. Okay. Yeah, and also like how you emphasis on every words, whatever are there in PPT or everything in lectures also are here also. And also I wasn't able to see like Manjaya sir lecture because he was only for seminar. So now here I have seen his lecture and he's also like too good at giving lectures. And like, and here I can see like what next we are going to study. Okay, as a like master student of additive manufacturing, here only I have like gone through what next I am going to study, like what I have studied, how we have started, what is going on, and now what next we are going to study, and what we can do for research thing or like something. So like, I wasn't able to attend like most of like all of the lectures, but yeah, I have attended the labs for sure. And the lectures which I think like we haven't up till now in our classes, or like the biomedical lecture by you or the order characterization by Manjaya sir, like those lectures I haven't missed because that is like we haven't up till now studied. So yeah, it is really helpful, sir. And the way you all people explain, it is too good. Yeah, like, you focus on every word and everything, sir. So thank you very much to all the faculties and you also.
Yeah, thank you, Danish. And then normally, we teach this as a semester course. Majority, if you see, that design for additive manufacturing is a one semester course. Then we may be
Yes, sir.
covering those aspects here maybe within 1.5 hour or 2 hours. So definitely, if you see Manjaya sir, that is also one of the courses he taught for say additive manufacturing students as a powder metallurgy and the powder say characterization and the powder preparation methods. So that is a one semester course. So that is typically 30 to 35 lectures. Normally, if undergo for the
Yes.
course, but definitely all that aspect in a crisp manner, maybe within 2 hours. So the 35 lectures has been compressed and making it as more crispy form and maybe 2 hours. So we are
Yes.
delivering
Yes,
here.
sir.
So
Like what I will like do on my revision. So you people have made it easier. Yeah. Again, I have revised like in 2 hours in a crisp way. So that is really helpful, sir. Because yeah, as the session has started, like likewise our exams also started. So in between, yeah, it was
yeah,
helpful.
yeah, I know that actually. Yeah, you are people again. You may be busy with the examination, and though in spite of that, then you have attended and gained knowledge. That is no. We are very happy for that. So,
Yes,
yeah,
yes. Thank you to you, sir. Like you people are arranging all the things, and yeah, thanks a lot again, and thanks to all the faculties. Thank you, sir.
thank you, Danish. And anybody else say a few words. So then you will keep posting the updated information in the WhatsApp group regarding certification and the status. So then you can follow that the WhatsApp group further updates on this certification and other updates regarding this. Okay. And if you come for the next course, and we may see you from Tuesday onwards. And I request to pass on this message for Atal program, next Atal program in your institution or in your, say, known groups of your WhatsApp or your friend circle. So may I request to say circulate about the Atal next program. So from 14 onwards. So kindly say spread this message to your friends, and you can yeah, please do that. Okay, Manjegar, you want to say a few words?
Thank you for all the participants and giving the valuable feedbacks on this FDP session. And if you give any further the comments to improve, that will be always welcome. What we are missing, some things on this FDP, especially this is a basic elementary FDP we have conducted. Still, with respect to the medical application, is going to be conducted on next week. And those who are not aware of this 3D printing, and this FDP was given a lot of information regarding the basic aspects like elementary things and all. Thank you for the participants and giving the valuable feedbacks and all. Thank you once again.
Yeah, kindly bear with us for the certification. Like anyway, we'll do from our side as quick as sometimes. So from ACT also sometimes it may getting delayed. We don't know. Like we'll check it. Like so we'll keep posting the updated things in the WhatsApp group. Don't miss that WhatsApp group. So then we'll be keep on posting. We'll be in touch with you in that group. Maybe now, maybe in the future also regarding any events or any programs which we are going to organize in the future or near future. So we'll be keep updating in that WhatsApp group. You'll be active in that group. Yeah, you can communicate even putting a private message also to me or to Manjaya. So you can always, you are welcome to interact with us. Okay. Then shall we say conclude this FTP? So we had very nice experience with good people like say doctors. Though we thought that next course, but even we have a couple of medical people, but unfortunately one doctor has been missed, it seems. But anyway, we have a doctor from one doctor and one industrial person and other majority the academicians. So we have a very nice, we enjoyed a lot during these 5 days. So thank you and say your presence here for your valuable time rather than here with us. So thank you, sir. Yeah, Dr. Rangan, sir, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless
Bye-bye,
you.
sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We'll
Thank
be
you,
in
sir.
touch.
Thank you.
I'll be in
Yeah.
touch with you later, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a lovely
Thank
day.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you all the participants.
Yes. So thank you very much, one and all. So we'll be signing off. Thank you.